Is pending before a court of law, and it is very prejudicial for me to make any pronouncement. If a matter is subsisting in court, that question can be channeled to the court to answer. There's a pending case in court between the disputants and claimants. There is a claimant and disputant over that land, and whatever you see is as a result of court action. And if there's any infractions or any other thing, should be directed to court. We only try to operate within the confines of the law. We only to enforce a court order. You know, it's very normal. Court will give an order and it will return to the police for execution. Even if it is not a court order, it's a matter is pending in court. It is very prejudicial for one party to go and disobey that court order. So if there's any aggrieved party, in that case, they should approach court for redress.